Hello, and welcome to our A2L Simple Syllabus tutorial for faculty. To begin, we will need to click on the syllabus link located in the top navigation bar within your course. From here, you will be redirected to Simple Syllabus. Note, if you are encountering an error message after clicking on the link, click on the Login button to proceed into your Simple Syllabus account using your CUNY First credentials. Simple Syllabus is a centralized, template-driven platform that enables instructors to quickly personalize and publish interactive class syllabi directly within CityTech's Brightspace LMS. Information pertaining to your course syllabus can be located under the Home section of the page. This is represented with the house icon located at the top left section of your navigation sidebar. Here, you will be able to view your to-do task, as well as view any completed ones. Additionally, you can search for any syllabus tied to your account by utilizing the search bar at the top. You can sort your listings by term by checking the boxes of your preference, such as future, current, or historic. You can also change the view of your layout by selecting columns or list from the View drop-down menu. You can also view your profile information by clicking on your name at the top right corner of the page and select My Profile. Located just below the house icon on the left sidebar is the Syllabus Library icon. Here you will be able to view CityTech's syllabus catalog of all publicly made syllabi. Entering syllabus information can be quite simple. From your home page, under the To-Do task, click on the Edit button below the syllabus. This will open your syllabus, allowing you to fill out all the required components. The tools located on the left are as follows from top to bottom. Add allows you to add your own component to a syllabus. Import allows you to import from a previous syllabus component. Reset resets the syllabus to the original template or a designated component to its original form. Access here you will be able to control the visibility of your syllabus. Help provides additional help and creates a support ticket. When filling out your syllabus, all components highlighted in orange are required and must be completed in order to submit. If you wish to add a new component, click on the Add icon located at the top left corner of the sidebar. When editing a component, simply click on the body of the component to begin entering your information. As you enter your information, the system will auto-save your progress. You can utilize the text editor for formatting your content, adding links, files, images, and videos. Consider creating a welcome video, introducing yourself and the course to your students. From here, you can adjust the privacy settings for this component. Public sets the component visible to anyone outside of your class. Private, only students within your course can view the component. Certain components are optional. If you have no need for those components, entering information is not required and will not be visible to students. To preview your syllabus, simply click on the Preview button. To publish it, click on the Submit button below. If you require technical assistance, please contact the A2L department at a2l@citytech.cuny.edu.